Long ago, in a quiet and peaceful village, surrounded by wide green fields, flowing streams, and tall trees that whispered gently in the wind, there lived an old farmer who was respected by everyone who knew him. His hair had turned silver with age, his hands were rough from years of hard work, and his eyes carried the calm wisdom of someone who had learned many lessons from life. Every morning before the sun rose, the farmer walked slowly to his fields, greeting the birds and feeling the cool earth beneath his feet. Farming was not just his work, it was his life, and he believed deeply in patience, honesty, and kindness. The farmer had 4 sons, named Tom, Jack, Leo, and Sam. They were young, strong, and intelligent, and each of them had learned the skills needed to work the land. However, despite all their strengths, the brothers shared a serious weakness. They could never agree with one another. Tom was the strongest and often believed his way was always right. Jack was stubborn and loved to argue, even when the problem was small. Leo was quiet and kept his feelings inside, letting anger grow silently. Sam was emotional and spoke quickly without thinking. From early morning until late at night, their house was filled with arguments. If Tom suggested planting crops in one field, Jack would argue that another field was better. If Leo worked quietly to finish a task, Sam would complain that it was not done fast enough. Even small problems turned into big fights. Words were spoken in anger, pride grew stronger, and no one wanted to admit they were wrong. The old farmer often sat nearby, listening to their loud voices, his heart growing heavier each day. He tried many times to guide them, reminding them that brothers should support one another and that unity brings strength, but his words were ignored. As the years passed, the farmer grew older and weaker. His steps became slower, his back bent with age, and his hands trembled after long hours of work. One evening, after a tiring day, he sat outside his home watching the golden sun slowly sink behind the hills. The sky turned shades of orange and purple, the village became quiet, but the farmer's heart was full of worry. He feared that if Tom, Jack, Leo, and Sam continued fighting, they would lose their farm, their peace, and even their bond as brothers. That night, under a sky full of stars, the farmer thought deeply about how to teach his sons a lesson they would never forget. By morning, he had a plan. The next day, he called Tom, Jack, Leo, and Sam into the yard and asked them to bring him some sticks. The brothers looked at each other in confusion but obeyed. Soon, they returned with dry wooden sticks gathered from the ground. The farmer slowly tied the sticks together into a tight bundle, using a strong rope, and placed it in front of them. He asked Tom to try breaking it first. Confident in his strength, Tom grabbed the bundle and bent it with all his might, but it did not break. He tried again, pushing harder, his face showing effort, yet the sticks stayed firm. Next, Jack stepped forward, twisting and pulling the bundle stubbornly, but it remained strong. Leo then tried quietly, pressing with determination, but the sticks would not move. Finally, Sam used all his energy, but the bundle still did not break. The farmer then calmly untied the rope and handed one single stick to Tom. Tom snapped it easily. Jack broke his stick without effort. Leo and Sam did the same. The farmer looked at his sons with gentle eyes and explained that when the sticks were tied together, they were strong, but when separated, they were weak. He told Tom, Jack, Leo, and Sam that people are the same. When they stand united, they become powerful, but when they fight and stand alone, they are easily broken. The brothers stood silently, thinking about his words. They realized that their anger and pride had weakened them. They remembered how many problems they could have solved together but did not. That very day, Tom promised to listen more. Jack promised to argue less. Leo promised to speak up calmly, and Sam promised to think before speaking. Slowly, the brothers changed. They worked together in the fields, shared responsibilities, and helped one another during difficult times. Their home became peaceful again. The crops grew better, laughter returned to the house, and the old farmer felt deep relief in his heart. He spent his remaining days watching Tom, Jack, Leo, and Sam grow closer, confident that they had learned the most important lesson of all, that unity is strength and togetherness brings peace.